Hey guys, today I'll provide an in-app walkthrough of Wealthsimple Trade. This is an app that allows you to trade stocks for free, basically the equivalent of Robinhood for Canadians. I'll be reviewing the app's interface features as well as placing my first trade right there on screen. So let's get right into it. So this is the home screen when you open the app. You see my account balance here. You can see I've deposited $1,000 Canadian to test this app. I got early access a couple weeks ago, but it took them forever to deposit my money. So it's only available for trading today. So down here you can see my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio. It's currently empty, but I'll be placing some trades and buying some stocks later in this video. So stay till the end if you want to see me trade and placing my orders. And here I have the available funds to trade. Again, $1,000 Canadian. Down here is my watch list. This is where you can add the stocks that you want to look at every day and keep track of. I've gone ahead and added some stocks that I look at, such as AMD, Boeing, Facebook, Netflix, Tesla, some wheat stocks, etc. So let's go ahead and add some stocks to my watch list. I want to add Apple. You get a brief mountain chart of several time frames on the stock here. You can see the stock's performance and the dollar amount as well as the percentage growth, intraday, weekly, over the course of 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 5 year. You get the idea. Down here you have some stock summary and stats. The standard open price, open, close, high and lows from intraday, the volume, the 52-week high, 52-week low, as well as the company info on Apple down here. Very important to note though, Wealthsimple Trade, right now the data is delayed by 15 minutes. So hopefully this is something that they will fix later on with the official launch of the app. Because right now as traders, you can't really trade with a delayed quote. Also, very important here is a chart. Wealthsimple Trade, right now they use these mountain area charts. And I know Robinhood uses a line chart. So to me as a trader, these two kinds of charts are very counterintuitive. It only tells me a basic trend up or down. It's not like the candlestick chart, where by reading it, I can see the open, the close, the patterns, and where the buyers and sellers are. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, this is a free commission trading app after all. But I think still for free trading apps like these, Wealthsimple Trade for Canadians or Robinhood for American traders, they're still great for longer term swing trading and very, very casual day trading in my opinion. I mean, the commissions are free. You can save a lot of money this way. But if you want to be a serious day trader, I think you gotta go to some other day trading brokers I've mentioned in my other video that break down the brokers you can use for both the US and Canada. So let's look at some stocks here. They have the basic watch list like the most active, top gainers, and the top losers. And up here we can search for our own stocks. They have the major stocks and ETFs such as SPY, the SQQQ, but they're still missing some. Like what I really like is GDX, the gold miner. Oh, they do have that. Okay, that's great. Do they have JNUG? They do have JNUG. That's awesome. Let's see if they have Labu, the biotech ETF. Nope, no Labu. Ah, that's outrageous. Do they have the financials? They do. XLE, the energy sector. Okay, they have that. That's great. Okay. Now, I do notice that they don't have a lot of the small caps, the penny stocks on the NASDAQ that I really like to trade sometimes. Let's see. SAEX. Nope. They don't have that. What else did I trade? KTOV. I traded. Oh, okay. Great. I traded this a couple weeks ago, this small cap. I have a recap video on that if you are interested. Let's see. What else? MBOT. Nope. No MBOT. What about DRYs? Well, they do have dries. That's awesome. One of my favorite shippers to trade. Do they have Elfin? No Elfin. That's a shame. So this is not bad, to be honest. But hopefully Wealthsimple gets better when they have the official launch and have more options for all of us degenerate small cap traders. Now, let's go to the exciting part. I want to go ahead and place my first order in Wealthsimple Trade. So I want to buy some Apple stock today. Let's see. Here I have Apple stock, and down here you can click buy. And it's asking me how many shares of Apple do you want to buy. You can see that my $1,000 Canadian, now it's worth $749 US. There's the option right here for the type of order you want to place up here. If you click it, you can see market order or limit order. So market order means you want to be filled instantly, regardless of what the bid or ask price is. Limit order means you'd only want to place the order if the price of Apple comes down to the price you want. So right now it's $171.26. So if you want to buy at $171.10, you can write that here. Click limit buy 171.10 cents. So that's the order will be pending until the price dips down to this number you've entered. Then your limit order will be executed. Depending on the stock liquidity, limit orders comes in very handy, especially with small caps. But with the current beta testing of the app, the data quote, again, it's delayed by 15 minutes. So there's really no point of buying the limit order since I don't have any live quotes here. So for the sake of the demo, I'm going to purchase 2 shares of Apple with market order. So I type 2 shares of Apple. You can see that the cost will be around $342, and I have $749 to trade in my account. So 2 shares of Apple, I will click continue. And there's a confirmation page asking me if I really want to buy 2 shares of Apple, the cost, etc., the exchange rate for Canadian to US dollars. The order will be executed at the best price available. That's market order. It will be canceled. Quotes may be delayed by up to 15 minutes. Okay. Now, confirm order. Now it's sending the order. Order sent. So market buy of 2 shares of Apple. Total estimated cost is $342. And the detail is market buy pending order. Oh, it's still pending. Jesus. How long is this gonna take? And about 5 minutes later, I got my email that confirms that my execution was finally filled. My market order of 2 Apple shares. So you can see now in my portfolio, I have 2 Apple shares at $171. Here's today's stats, the open, close, and this is my 100% of my portfolio right now on Wealthsimple Trade. Now I'm just going to hold these 2 shares of Apple and wait for Apple to go to $1 million per share, just like Bitcoin. And I'll be as rich as those crypto millionaires out there. So stay tuned for that. So overall, I think Wealthsimple Trade is an extremely easy to use app for beginner or novice day traders. At the moment, they don't have a TFSA account, just like Robinhood don't offer IRA accounts for the Americans. So hopefully they'll roll that out later and host live quotes because that's very important for us serious day traders. But at the moment, I think it's great for casual day trading and swing trading because it's commission free. But if you do want to utilize your TFSA or RRSP account and start investing smarter and hassle-free, they do have an investing service separate from Wealthsimple Trade. It's called Wealthsimple Robo Investing. It's a great option for you to put your investing on autopilot and have the robo advisors manage your investments for you. Their fees are only 0.4 to 0.5% per year, which is extremely low compared to other major banks. Wealthsimple, they build a customized portfolio for you according to your risk tolerance and your investing goals. You can get your first $10,000 managed for free by signing up with my link down in the description below. There's also a link to sign up in line for the Wealthsimple Trade Early Access. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button. And as always, comment down below if you have any questions regarding the stock market, Wealthsimple, or trading brokers in general. This is the Humble Trader. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.